How to check website traffic on GoDaddy Dashboard. Welcome to today's tutorial on how to check website traffic on your GoDaddy dashboard. If you're a website owner, understanding your website's traffic is crucial to making informed decisions about your online presence. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to check your website traffic on GoDaddy. To start, log in to your GoDaddy account and navigate to the Statistics section. From there, click on Traffic to view your website's traffic data. You'll see a graph showing your website's traffic over time, as well as a breakdown of your traffic by country, browser, and device. To view more detailed traffic data, click on the Detailed Traffic tab. Here, you'll see a list of your website's traffic sources, including the number of visitors, page views, and bounce rate. You can also filter your traffic data by date range, time of day, and more. Another important metric to track is your website's bounce rate. This measures the percentage of visitors who leave your website without taking any further action. A high bounce rate can indicate that your website is not engaging your visitors, so it's essential to identify and address any issues. To check your website's bounce rate, click on the Bounce Rate tab in the Detailed Traffic section. You'll see a graph showing your bounce rate over time, as well as a breakdown of your bounce rate by page and device. In addition to traffic data, GoDaddy also provides insights into your website's engagement and conversion rates. These metrics can help you understand how well your website is performing and identify areas for improvement. To view your website's engagement and conversion rates, click on the Engagement tab in the Statistics section. Here, you'll see a graph showing your engagement and conversion rates over time, as well as a breakdown of your engagement and conversion rates by page and device.